Here I have Toshido M863, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately forget it and can't even unlock your device right now. So what can you do in this kind of a miserable situation? Firstly, you have to turn off your Toshido tablet, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. In the following menu, you have to use volume down to navigate and power and volume up to select. And you have to select the last option, which will be in Chinese. Obviously, like in every other option in this menu. So you just select the last one with volume up, and after that your tablet will be restarted in about a minute or two, and there will be no more password. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.